Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be going over the X method. The X method is a versatile method we can use to factor quadratic equations, and we will break it down using the standard form for quadratic equations up top. Here we have the X, which is the main reason as to why it's called the X method, and now we shall begin plugging in the variables, with ax squared and c being multiplied at the top and bx being placed at the bottom. Now we are left with two remaining spots to place variables, and here is when the fun part begins. On both sides, we will put two different coefficients of x, which are labeled dx. These two coefficients should multiply to ax squared times c and add to bx. Now you create two new fractions, writing ax squared over both of the dx's. Now you simplify the fractions as much as you can, with two different binomials being represented through two different fractions. Now we shall be going over an actual example using 3r squared plus 20r minus 32. Plugging into the x actual values, we shall be multiplying 3r squared and negative 32 to form negative 96r squared, and then we shall put 20r at the bottom. Now to find the two separate coefficients, we need to go through the factors of negative 96 and look at which ones add up to 20. Here we have come across negative 4 and 24, which multiply to negative 96 and add up to 20. Now we can plug those in, and then we can form our fractions. 3r squared goes over both 24r and negative 4r, and then we can simplify those. Now we can factor out the greatest common factors. So we can automatically factor out the extra variables, and between 3r squared and 24r, we can factor out the 3 to make r over 8. We can now turn these fractions to a pair of binomials, which would be r plus 8 times 3r minus 4. That is all for the X method. Feel free to like or subscribe or even leave a comment for feedback. Thank you for watching. Why are you still here? The video's over. Go click off and find something else to watch. Maybe you can watch one of my other videos.